Steady as she goes, navigating the seas of English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, steady as she goes. This phrase isn't just a collection of words. It's a treasure trove of history, meaning, and application. So, get ready to set sail as we explore its depths together. Steady as she goes is a nautical term that has been navigating the English language for centuries. Originally used by sailors, this command was given to the helmsman, instructing them to keep the ship steadily on its current course, regardless of distractions or difficulties. It embodies a sense of calm, stability, and focus, qualities that are essential for navigating not just the seas but the challenges of life as well. In modern English, steady as she goes has transcended its nautical origins to become a metaphor for maintaining course in the face of challenges. It's used to encourage someone to continue what they're doing without drastic changes, even if the situation might be tough or uncertain. This phrase can be a powerful reminder to stay focused and persistent, whether you're facing personal trials, professional obstacles, or just the ups and downs of daily life. Let's see how steady as she goes can be used in everyday conversation. In encouragement, I know starting your own business is tough, but steady as she goes. You're doing great. In reassurance, despite the market fluctuations, we'll keep our investment strategy steady as she goes. In personal advice, when life gets overwhelming, remember, steady as she goes. Focus on one thing at a time. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, highlighting its applicability in various contexts, from personal motivation to professional advice. Interestingly, steady as she goes also makes appearances in music, literature, and movies, often used to evoke a sense of resilience, determination, or an even-keeled approach to life's challenges. It's a testament to the phrase's powerful imagery and universal appeal. Steady as she goes is more than just a phrase. It's a guiding principle for navigating the unpredictable waters of life. By understanding its origins, meaning, and usage, we can apply its wisdom to our own journeys, staying focused and unwavering no matter what comes our way. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic voyage. Until next time, keep learning and keep steady.